Yun ay dito tayo sa Tyrannosaurus, another kind of dinosaurs. At dito ay makikita natin ang ngipin ng dinosaur na ito. Ito oh. Tyrannosaurus. Ayan ang ngipin ah. Ayan ang ngipin. Terrible teeth. Although tyrannosaurs may have used their strong arms to hold prey close to their bodies, their greatest weapon was a large head continuously filled with sharp teeth. Notice the cast of a T-Rex jaw section to the left. Ito, ito, T-Rex jaw section. Ayan ang mga ngipin, oh. Look at that. Grabe, ang lalaki. That has been found. T-Rex head were up to 5 feet long. To the right is a Tyrannosaurus rex tooth. Complete with root, it measures 11.5 inches long and 2 1/4 inches wide. Next to it is a tooth from a Daspletosaurus, which is half the size of a T-Rex tooth. Daspletosaurus lived earlier than T-Rex. Tooth and body size increase as the Tyrannosaurus evolved. So ito, as they evolve, they get a bigger teeth. Ayan. Ayan, Tyrannosaurus. Look at the teeth ng Tyrannosaurus. Grabe, ang laki. Ito ang mga buto nila. Ito naman ang mga ngipin. Ito, another kind of dinosaur. Ayan, they fly. Diatrima. Ayan ang kanyang skull. Skull. Grabe. At may maliliit. Ayan oh. Ah, no. That's our smaller animals. Look at this. Holocene epoch, the era of humans. Basahin natin ito. Holocene epoch, the era of humans. The Holocene epoch 12,000 years ago, present to present day, is the era of humans. With the onset of the warmer and drier Holocene epoch, people spread around the globe, establishing large ancient cities and civilization, dominating and profoundly affecting the environment and climate. The Holocene contains our history, the rise of civilization, the role of laws and governments, and our impact on the world around us. As we progress through the Holocene, the extinction rate of many species is climbing. Global temperatures are increasing as well as levels of atmospheric carbon dioxide. Dito makikita natin ang mga ano yan? Basahin natin dito. Oh, these are mammoth teeth. Pliocene epoch, Montana. Mammoths and mastodons, what's the difference? 5 million years after the extinction of the dinosaurs, the earliest ancestor to elephants appeared. These animals, hindi makita. Mammoth teeth. Ayan palang mammoth teeth. Pliocene epoch, Montana. Mammoths and mastodons. What's the difference? 5 million years after the extinction of the dinosaurs, the earliest ancestor to elephants appeared. These animals became hugely diverse throughout the Paleogene and Neogene, with two types becoming well-known, mammoths and mastodons. Mastodons appeared about 20 million years ago. They had flatter heads than mammoths, and more important, their teeth had cups and were well adapted to grinding the leaves of plants. Mammoths appeared about 2 million years ago. They were bigger, more widespread than mastodons, and had patted humps on their necks, a much-needed source of nutrition in the harsh northern climates in which some species live. Their teeth were flat and well adapted to grazing on grass. There is one important thing mammoths and mastodons shared in common. Both of these prehistoric elephants managed to survive well into historical times, as late as 10,000 to 4,000 BC, and both may have been hunted to extinction by early humans.